There is a technique called story mapping. Story mapping helps us to look at the big picture for all the stakeholders, and it helps us build the features as a team. Story mapping is a simple technique that helps us to see the overall view of how the business processes and the activities that happen in the system interact, and it also helps us to put the stories under the respective releases so that the release planning can be done. By placing the stories in the story map, it will be easier for us to identify the minimally marketable feature sets that have to be there as part of the release. If you look at the story map diagram, on the top you see the business processes and the major activities that happen within these business processes. For example, if the first one is the HR management, the major activity in that could be hiring the talent. Maybe the other activity within that could be pay employees or payroll management. Now, under each of these major activities, under the business process, we'll be placing the stories that have to be accomplished in release 1, say release 2 and release 3. At the same time, if you look at horizontally the release here, each release should have the features that the customer would love to buy and pay for it. The story mapping technique, or sometimes we call it a walking skeleton, is a very useful technique that gives the holistic picture of the entire system that what we are building, and also helps us in release planning by identifying the minimally marketable features that should be part of this release.